Hello everyone. In today's class, we are just going to find a formula how to find total function from A to B. Suppose there is a set A having m elements and another set B having n elements, and we want to know how many functions from A to B are there. So for this exercise, we are taking a very small example. Suppose in a set A, I am taking two elements 1 and 2, and in another set B, I am taking three elements A, B, C, and I want to know how many functions from A to B are there. As we know the definition of function, each element of A should have unique image in B. So for finding this formula, we are just taking the concept of permutation and combination. And what concept? Suppose there are two elements 1 and 2, and we are just taking two elements of B, A, B, and we are just finding all possible functions. Suppose 1 goes to A and 2 goes to B, and then F2, 2 goes to A and 1 goes to B. So for 1, 2 and AB, there are two functions. Again, for 1, 2, this time taking A and C. So what is F3? 1 goes to A and 2 goes to C, and F4, 1 goes to C and 2 goes to A. So now we have four functions. Again, for 1, 2, this time we are taking BC. So what is F5? 1 goes to B and 2 goes to C. And F6, 1 goes to C and 2 goes to A. So first we take two elements of A and two elements of B. And in each case we can see different element of A has different image in B. Now in another function, if both 1, 2 have same image A, so F7 we can take 1 goes to A, 2 goes to A. In F8 I can take 1 goes to B and 2 goes to B. And F9, 1 goes to C and 2 goes to C. So basically there are 9 functions from A to B when A have two elements and B have three elements. And these 9 elements we can easily find by the way of permutation combination. For each element of A, there are 3 choices in B, and each element of 1 there are 3 choices, and each element of 2 there are 3 choices. So 3 into 3 means 9 choices, means there are 9 functions, or we can say it is 3 square. It is 3 square. So now we are just going to generalize this formula, how to check, how to find total function from A to B when A have m elements and B has n elements. So total functions from A to B equal to n की power m, or it is better to say nb whole power na. These are the total number of functions from a set A to set B. So thank you everyone. This is all about today's class. It's a very important formula for finding total number of functions. Thank you.